Hello, kings and queens! Drum roll. I'm so annoying, I'm sorry. But स्वागत है आपका वापस इस channel में. And if you hear jingling, it's my ring. Doesn't it look cute, guys? I got butter yellow nails. You probably can't see it in this lighting, but I have my sunset lamp on. I got butter yellow nails, and my mom looks at it, and she's like, "ये तेरे हाथों को jaundice क्यों हो रखा है?" Like, mummy. Sorry, but anyways, so today we are going to be doing a shit. I should really start going to the gym again. We are gonna be doing a journal ecosystem video. I know I own quite a lot of them, but trust me, they are loved deeply. I love each and every journal in here. Let's get started. So, the first journal that I want to show you is this one. It's very deeply loved. It's actually one of the first journals that I started taking seriously after I started adulting, as you would like to call it. But as you would like to call it, कि adulting ये तो होता है. But yeah, this is like my first journal which I started writing in as an adult, and which have a lot of feelings in here, have a lot of stuff in here that are very personal to me. But yeah, I really like it. And you can see it's been like used and freaking abused. I don't know how much I've used this. I've used it quite a lot, and there are actually a few pages left in here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do in there. But yeah, I still have a few pages left in here, so I'm using it as a anything journal right now. ऐसा कुछ भी लिख देती हूँ मैं अब. And the second one is this one. It looks something. Oh wait, I didn't tell you where that journal was from. This journal is from this company called World One. I don't know if they make these kind of journals anymore. But bro, I love this so much. I'm not usually like a I don't like journals when they are hardcover. I want to be bending and breaking the spine of my journals. So this one, it's like a really soft leather cover, so I can like break it in, and it looks good. The color is good, which I didn't like it at first, but then I got used to it. So it was something that I ended up liking actually. Now, coming to this journal, this is a. I actually initially did not know what to do with it, but I just stuck up here my picture. It's a very silly picture of mine that one of my friends took, and it's some random stickers. And I started using this as sort of a planner or a guide. I don't know, like just to jot down things, and this goes everywhere with me. Like, this is the journal that I have when I'm like traveling मतलब एक तो मेरा travel ही college तक इतना लंबा, it feels like I'm solo traveling all the time. But yeah, this one, it's like it just goes everywhere with me, so that I can jot points down when I'm outside, or if I get any ideas, I can write it down in here. So yeah, that's her purpose. I actually write down the purpose of all my journals on the first page. So it says under my purpose, travel commonplace, journaling, planning, to do lists, anything you want. So yeah, this is like a commonplace journal for me, for like when I'm on the go. The third journal, this is actually a new one. This is very chaotic, and I know it says journal on it. I don't know if you can read it right, because I'm filming from my front camera, and it doesn't usually tend to pick up the right way. It's a mirrored image probably. Anyways, why am I talking so much about it? But yeah, this is the not first journal, this is my second adult journal, and it looks pretty good, right? Again, it's in a very bluish sort of color, which I like. And this is going to be my basically daily journal, like diary, where I write all of my feelings, and just what's going on my head, to help me understand how I'm feeling right now at the moment, so I can reflect on it. trust me, you know that feeling when you know how you're feeling inside your head, like ki, if you're sad, you know that you're sad and you know why you're sad, but just trust me, pick a pen, a paper, notebook, your phone, whatever you're comfortable with, write it down, and trust me, it makes you feel so much better, and it just helps you reflect. People weren't kidding when they say journal helps you reflect on stuff. It actually helps you reflect on so much stuff. And on the first page again, it has a picture of me, and it says XOXO Gossip Girl right here. I didn't write that down. I actually had a sticker of it, so I thought it'd be like a little funny. I'm yet to write a letter to myself and stick it right here for me to read when I end this journal. So, yeah, that was it for this one. And the next one, this is actually one of my favorite journals. It's really pretty, isn't it? Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? It's like this blue, royal blue cover with like a gold shift, and it's so pretty, bro. This is my favorite journal cover. Although it's hardcover, it's like really, really hardcover. I don't know if I like the binding of it, but I really like the cover. So this is a journal where I write down all the things that are interesting to me, all the new things that I learn about, and all the fun things that I learn about, or if I research a new topic and I want to write down points about it. And currently I've written a lot about space stuff. Actually, you wouldn't think of me as someone who is into space stuff, but trust me, I've been into it a lot, and I've been always intrigued by space stuff, but I never really took it seriously, and I recently watched Project Hail Mary, and it's just brought back a lot of those curiosity factors in me which wants to know about it. So yeah, that's what I'm currently writing in here. But in general, this journal is for me to write about all of the stuff like that I learn about, and all the stuff that I find intriguing, interesting, some quotes, books reviews, movie reviews, and just intellect dump. You can call this an intellect dumped. What's wrong with me? Why can I not speak? Intellect dump. Yep. So that's it for this one. This I actually got it at a fair with my friend. Like, she got a similar one, and you won't believe how much I got this for. I got this for 100 rupees, and the paper quality is also so nice. It has like a vintage feel and like look to the paper. The wash of the paper is little yellowy and interesting. I really like this journal a lot. I love it. And the next one is this one. Again, a pretty journal, because which girl which girl doesn't like a pretty journal, right? And this one, I think it's from this brand called Muddy Jumpers. You can find them on Instagram. Not sponsored, of course, because मेरे 15 सब्सक्राइबर वाले अकाउंट को कौन ही सब्सक्राइब करेगा, right? No, please subscribe. Please, if you're a new viewer watching this, please subscribe. It would be amazing if you did. But yeah, this journal is basically my academic journal. Not journal, it's actually a planner. I got the notebook version of it because I don't like how the planners like restrain you, or like they have this boundary कि हाँ तुम्हें यहाँ यहीं पे ये लिखना है. I just don't like planners, okay? So I got this in the notebook form. Plus this was a little cheaper, and it has dotted lines. I got this for, I believe, around 750 or 800 rupees. So I use this for like my academic planning, my college stuff. So yeah, I like write down stuff that I have to do for my school, and sometimes occasionally I'll doodle in here, but otherwise it's just strictly for academic purposes. The next one and the last one is this one. You might be like, सारे journals पे तो इसने stickers ही लगा रखे हैं, everything looks the same, but trust me, it's not the same. They serve different purposes. This one is my art journal. This one is my creative project. This one is my scrapbook, my art brain dump basically. And it's this, again, it's hardcover. I don't know why I bought so many hardcovered ones. I don't even like hardcovered uh, books, but yeah, this is like a scrapbook. You can see here, this was from a day out with my friends, and it's again, it's a spread of scrapbook of random shit that I put together. And this again, there's one that I really want to show you. This is a really weird drawing. I don't know. I found it off of Pinterest, and I had just purchased new oil pastels, so I was like, what better time to try it out than now, right? And then there's this. It's again random drawings, which I want to do, random stuff that I write. And hold on, there's another one, quite disturbing one, if you might say. अरे यार मैंने फाड़ दिया क्या वो हट. This, I don't think this is disturbing. It's very random. I'm telling you, this is exactly what I described it to you as. It's my brain dump. Random stuff that I like, I put it over here. This chocolate is my favorite. I tried these pretzels. And basically, सारी चीज़ें जो मुझे पसंद आती हैं, मैं उनका काटम पीटी करके मैं यहाँ पे चिपका देती हूँ. Wait, I think I should give you a stationery haul also while I'm on the go, right? Right? So this is my pouch and my stationery holder. I really like it. It's cute. It has little oranges on it. These are all the pens and highlighters that I basically use on an everyday basis. The colored ones I'm usually on a rotation, but mostly this is what I use. And don't worry, these are all on a budget because, again, a student here. So the first one is these are my favorite pens. Also, I'm a black ink girly through and through. I cannot imagine myself writing with any other colored ink other than maybe black and brown. I hate blue. I just hate the way it like reflects on white paper. Okay, I love black pens. So these are my favorite ones. I like the Sharpie 0.7 ones also, but I'm out of those, and Amazon maybe they're out of those, so I have to make do with the ones that I have. This one is the, oh my god, this is so used. इसका नाम भी नहीं दिख रहा है इस पे. ये this one is a new one, I guess. Yeah, so this is the Pentonic GRT black in 0.7 mm. I use both of these for journaling, writing, random sketching, and whatnot. So these are the amazing black ones that I use. I think these retail for like 115 rupees for a pack of 3 in India. You can easily get them on Amazon. I don't think you would get these in a local store though. It's very hard to find these in a local store, but I think you would get them you would get them on Amazon. The next one is Pentel Energel, again 0.7 mm. देखो मेरी जो हैंड राइटिंग है ना उसके हिसाब से आई थिंक द 0.7 mm वन works really well because it's not too scratchy for me when I write, and it just glides smoothly. And I'm a huge gel ink person. I do not like ball ink, but I'm forced to use them because मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स में वही they accept it and they don't like it when I use gel pens. So but yeah, for personal use मैं तो use कर सकती हूँ, मुझे क्या भाई. This one is a Pentel Energel 0.7 mm, again in the shade brown. I really like their black ones also, but मेरे पास black बहुत सारे हैं, तो I like using the brown one for this. It's a really good pen, not scratchy, works well, writes well, refills आते हैं इनके, so you don't have to keep buying the exterior ones and throwing them out. This I think is for 30 rupees in India. Again, you can get these ones at a local store. Amazon में I don't think again Amazon में भी मिल सकता है. मैं I don't think क्यों बोल रही हूँ, पागल हूँ क्या मैं. And next up are these two pens. These are the Sino gel pens. Again, ये कहाँ लिखा है यार? Sino Rolltech 0.5 mm. Okay, so I think these are the only 0.5 mm pens that I own, but these are not scratchy at all. Trust me, I've used the Muji 0.38 mm and they are hella scratchy. I hate those ones. Muji के दूसरे ones like 0.7 mm ones I really like them, but again they're so expensive that I cannot keep repurchasing them. I finished all of those, so this is a good dupe for them. I would suggest you to get these, and these are just for 10 rupees each. For how well they work, I don't know how they make profits with these pens, but yeah, they're amazing. I use the red one and the black one from Sino. I'll try putting the name here so you don't have to be worried about it. So yeah, I use these are all my inked pens. Now moving on to the highlighters. Who on earth who on earth is using neon highlighters at this point of time, right? We are pastel girlies through and through, and these highlighters are from, I think, Mr. DIY. Yeah, these highlighters are from Mr. DIY. They are like they have both these like chiseled tips, and they have these marker tips as well, so they are dual ended, and you can use them for sketching, drawing, highlighting, whatever you want. You have free will. It's a free country. You can do what you want. So yeah, these are about all of the things that I use, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको मज़ा आया तो मुझे बताना कि आपको मज़ा आया, प्लीज़ ज़रूर बताना, and I'll try filming videos that you guys like in the future. Thanks for watching. Kings and queens, I love you from the heart of my bottom. Bye bye.